launch on the left-hand side.
As if you can hear him for them.
That's why I'm telling you just to concentrate. Right.
Right side, right side, right side.
Right.
Oh.
We're taking hits. The low-level show of force doesn't seem to have done the trick. The convoy is still under threat. We're still being fired upon, and it's time to get kinetic. Johnny Meadows and Andy Slater in Alien 1, and Ian Snelling and Stu Lawson in Alien 2 are going to climb up to position for strafe attacks. Alien 1 tips in from the left-hand side and is clear to attack.
Whoa!
Does that answer your question?
Yes. Good, because
Alien 2 is cleared in for a further attack. This time from the right-hand side. Using its 27mm Mauser cannon, it fires 1,700 rounds a minute of high explosive shells at the enemy.
that's what I was going to do.
Keep your eyes open. The red smoke clouds, that's what
That's some bang in it. I feel my trousers moving.
The convoy is still moving, and Alien 1 is cleared in for a further attack from the left-hand side. Missile launch! Alien 1, break off! Break off! Alien 1 successfully evades the missile by flying off flares out the back of the aircraft. The enemy seem to have climbed into vehicles and are now moving. It's time to call in the dual-mode Seeker Brimstone missile, similar to the Apache Hellfire missile, to fire at the moving targets in front of us. Alien 1 comes in from the right, Alien 2 comes in from the left. This is an opposition pass in at 1,200 miles an hour closing speed. It may look dangerous, but don't worry, ladies and gentlemen, 60% of the time, it works every time.
60.
And steady yourself.
It's worked. The enemy vehicles have been stopped. It looks like the personnel inside them have managed to run away there, and they've gone and hid in the nearest building on the airfield. I think the only way to finish this off is to drop 4 1,000-pound dumb weapons into the target.
Are you going to drop that?
Possibly.
Alien formation, run right round to the back of the airfield, almost 4 miles away, and turn inbound for a simultaneous attack, where they'll pull up and loft the weapons into the target.
I was thinking that was a bit too small.
Big bim bims.
4 1,000.
Both aircraft now approaching the target head-on.
Hello. Oh, they weren't there. Whoa.
There you go.
seems to have done the trick. All the buildings have been destroyed, all enemy forces have been stopped completely, and anything left is retreating. Ground forces have been saved and are left to fight another day. Alien formation will now come round to the right and clear the area with their reconnaissance pods to video the evidence before they shoot off back to base.
It's actually raining bits.
If you look round to your right behind the hills, you'll see alien formation coming round for their last 600 knot pass. Powered by 2 turbofan engines, each producing 18,000 pounds of thrust. Converted into horsepower, I'm no mathematician, but I think that's a gajillion.
Good job.
From the right, alien formation. The 2011 Tornado roll demonstration. That's been the Tornado. You've been fantastic. I've been emotional, and I wish you a fantastic afternoon. Good night, Lucas.